Hi, my name is Eric Parker from Keystone RV Company. Before doing any maintenance or troubleshooting on your RV slide-out mechanism, first you need to identify what type of slide-out mechanism you have. We'll begin with adjustments. Running your slides in and out, or even driving down the road, can shift your slide-outs out of alignment over time. Make sure your dealer has reviewed your slide-out operation during your annual check. Adjustments may not always be needed, but this is the best time to check if they are. You can check your seals yourself. Shine a flashlight along the seals looking for cracks, any air pockets like these. This should be done at least twice a year. If you spot something, you'll want to contact your local dealer about resealing, as even a small amount of moisture can cause serious impact to your RV. You want to be very careful about how you clean and lubricate your slide-out mechanisms. Usually wiping with a dry cloth is all you need for cleaning. Debris can also accumulate under your slide, both inside the unit and out. Make sure you check and clear any debris before retracting your slides. Keystone RV does recommend using slide slickers to help reduce wear and tear on your slide-out boxes and floors. Slide slickers are available for purchase through your local dealer or RV parts supplier. Remembering these tips can go a long way to ensure that you have a great camping experience through the long haul. Thanks for watching.